Well, I finally learned the hard way that trading with a demo is not like trading with real money. I really wanted it to be, but now that I'm using the Apex accounts and my real live trading account with my own personal money, I am not taking the trades like I would in my demo account. For instance, here's my demo account today. I mean, look at all the trades. We're up a couple $100. And, I took one trade in my live account and I'm up $3 just because I didn't want to risk anything. It's a completely different world, guys. And I don't care. You don't realize it until you really start trading with your hard earned money. Money that you sweat and work hard for. You don't want to throw it away. So we had about seven trades here in the simulator, and we're doing okay in the simulator. But I took one little trade in my real account over here in the bottom right, I'm sorry, and I just timed it to where I could just get a couple ticks out of it, and I just closed it because you have to take at least one trade a month. I am hoping that I can start trading in my Apex accounts, the ones on the top. I got two Apex accounts, funded challenges that I need to pass, and I've only traded in one of them. We've had 6 winning days, but very small profits, like $100 total. But I just want to make this video to really let it be known, and that trading in a demo for a long, long time may actually hurt you when you try to transition into real money. Because right now it's slowing me down. I believe though that one day I will be able to trade my Apex accounts, 50K challenge accounts, when it get payouts from it, and trade my real funded accounts like I trade this Apex account. I'm sorry, like I trade my simulator. The problem is the drawdowns in my unrealized profits are pretty big sometimes. There have been 4 days where I've had some serious drawdowns on these accounts, and if I do that in the Apex account, I could blow it up in a matter of a couple of days if I'm not careful. Here on April 1st, I had almost like a $750 drawdown before I came back up and made $28, right? Let's look at the next date that I did that on. It's 4/2 was something similar. 4/2, take a look at this. I had a $2,300 drawdown. With the Apex accounts, you're only allowed 2,500 before they blow up your account. So that would have been a day that I ended up coming back to $417 that I made before the day closed, right? There's a couple other days, I think the 12th and the 14th or 15th, you can see how it's just, again, over and over and over, the drawdowns. Look at this one's almost $2,000 drawdown before I came up and just lost only $65, right? And there was one more, I think, on the 15th that the next trading day, $2,000 again. If I have those back to back, I'm done with the Apex account. So my trading style, although it does come back, I made $1,200 that day. Most of the time that I have these large drawdowns, I'm able to scalp my way back to profitability or break even with a very small loss even. But, you can't do that with the Apex accounts. So I'm nervous that my trading style needs to be adjusted, and I'm not sure what trading style to apply, because this is all I know how to trade. The best way that I trade right now is my scalping techniques, which do have large drawdowns. So you can see that that's exactly why, on my Apex accounts, that I am very, very careful. On my demo, let's look at my demo alone. You can see that I have a very good win ratio of 79% overall, with the P&L graph that looks like this. But that's having massive drawdowns intraday. Intraday, I have drawdowns intraday, and you can see, let's see here on the calendar for April, the biggest loss that I had was $309, but that was the day that I was drawing down about $2,300 intraday. Actually, I don't know what my drawdown was for the 17th. That's a day I lost 309. We should probably take a look at that just because it might be another day that I missed. 417. Let's type in 417 only and see what that does. What was my drawdown just for that day? Curious now to see. But the point is, I don't think my strategy is going to allow me to 417. I don't think my strategy is going to allow me to do it. Yeah, this particular day I was down about $400, $540, $550, maybe $600, and I ended up losing only half of that, right? So that's a major drawdown. You're only allowed $2,500 drawdown on the 50K Apex challenge, and that's why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it, which is very, very careful. I got my Apex right here. I'm going up little by little, but I'm like nickel and diming my way to success, if you will, because I don't want to have any drawdowns. You can see every day here has been a winning day because I'm taking just a little profit, and I close for the day. Only $100 in a week, $104 in the whole week, 100% win ratio. But point is, I'm too scared to have any drawdowns on it. I don't want to treat it like it's just monopoly money and that I can get another one. Oh well, at some point we have to treat it like it's real money because it is real money. I like trading my real live account along with the simulator and along with the Apex, because what you have is you got one that's definitely simulator and it's pretend money. The Apex account is in the middle because my real live account is my hard-earned paycheck money that I work hard for. That's real money. That's my money. That's my live account. And then in the middle, we have the Apex accounts. The Apex accounts can be real money if you pass it. You can get money from it. You can get payouts from it. So it's kind of in the middle of simulator play money and half real money potential. So it's kind of nice to have all three of these. It's kind of slowly transitioning me into the reality and mindset of trading with real money. So it's a nice transitional process, to be honest with you. I do recommend everybody open up a real money account because real money accounts are going to help you understand the difference until you trade with real money. Even the Apex accounts are not real money. $33 a month is all I'm paying for the 50K. I can blow that up in seconds and go get another one for $33. No big deal, you know, and that's why people are not able to make it. They pass the account by some fluky trading and they actually pass it, and then when they get to the real money they just blow it and lose it. And I don't want to keep having that demo mindset. I need to have a real money mindset, and that's what's taken me so long to get going on this 50K account. So I didn't even take any trades today because of the day chart on the MNQ, the NASDAQ Micro. You can see where it's at. This white line here is the high of the previous trading day, and it keeps dropping below the previous day's high. And the NASDAQ has a nasty habit of having follow through to the downside when it does that. And I don't want to chance it. And it's stuck on these moving averages up here, and they're coming down. I guess I could try to short, but I've just been buying long on the simulator, and we're up about $275 on the simulator today. So anyway, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Peace.